Are you looking to promote your business with the state-of-the-art video for web and television? Effective and affordable, the TV50 production team delivers results. From 30-second commercials to documentaries, the TV50 production team has your business needs covered.
It's not about just showing up.
Twin Pine.
It's about where you sit when you do.
Twin Pine.
For those who take their sitting seriously, this would be a good time to sit up and take note.
Twin Pine Casino.
For relaxation, entertainment, and just plain fun, Twin Pine Casino and Hotel is at the seat of it all. We've got the best seat in the house just for you. California's newest casino and hotel destination, Twin Pine Casino and Hotel, the closest casino to San Francisco and the Napa Valley wine country.
For the best deal on a new Chevy, come to Platinum Chevrolet on the Corby Auto Road. Looking for great service and a great deal? Then how about sizzling hot deals at the Chevy Summer Event at Platinum Chevrolet? Deals like 0% financing for 72 months or $5,000 in customer cash back on all new Silverados in stock. Or 0% for 60 months on Suburban, Tahoe, Traverse, or Malibu. Or take thousands in factory rebates. Take a short drive to the Corby Auto Road to Platinum Chevrolet, proud sponsor of the Santa Rosa Youth Soccer League.
The following is a paid advertisement.
Welcome to Ask the Expert. I'm here with Bruce from Sonoma Canopy Tours.
Hi, Angela.
Oh, hi. So how did you come up with this idea for zipping through the redwoods?
Well, Sonoma Canopy Tours was birthed a couple years ago when my wife and I were on a trip to a resort in Puerto Vallarta. And they had all kinds of adventure activities for people to enjoy, one of them being a canopy tour through the tropical rainforest.
Wow.
And we tried for almost a whole week to get on that experience, and we could never get on it. And so we thought, oh my goodness, what a popular experience that people are enjoying. And so we came back and we're looking for an opportunity to expand a business here in Sonoma County, and we figured, wouldn't it be awesome if we could bring the canopy tours to the coastal redwood forest?
What does it involve? What does a canopy tour involve?
Well, sure. This canopy tour is really unique. It is fun, an adrenaline rush that zipping at high elevations in a tree is going to deliver for passengers.
Yeah.
But it's also a time of just rest and enjoying the wonderful nature all around us. It provides the passenger an opportunity to have some panoramic views and then bring them down inside the redwood trees and all. So our particular course is very diverse in what the person will experience. We have 7 zip lines.
Wow.
One of the longest ones being well over 800 foot long. So
Wow.
that really lets you get out there and zip for quite a while. And then we have 2 sky bridges that suspend between a pair of platforms. And we've woven in a spiral staircase.
Wow.
And that is one of the first of its kind ever built in a canopy tour. And then we finished the trip by doing a rappel back down to a platform down at ground level.
Wow, that's great. So how long does it take to get through the course?
The course would take about 2.5 hours.
Wow, that's great.
And so it starts off with a greeting by one of our trained guides, and they get you outfitted in all of the equipment, and then they take you through ground school. And so that way it helps the individual get comfortable with wearing their equipment, getting harnessed up, getting attached to the zip line, and they practice some of the maneuvers that will happen out on the course.
So is it pretty safe, and like what kind of regulations?
Oh, extremely safe. All of our guides have been trained, they're accredited. We use top-of-the-line equipment. Anybody can do this. This is something that can be enjoyed from someone as young as 10 years old to as old as your imagination can go.
If you're looking for more information on Sonoma Canopy Tours, visit their website at sonomacanopytours.com. Thanks for joining us.